Yes, Parul, this is week 5, and I was thinking in the morning, I messaged in my owners group that it's a sunny side up Sunday, but as the days are going, I'm feeling sad that it's going to come to an end, but every ending has a good beginning. So if the first season does not end, the second season will not start. And where it's shaping up, it is shaping up really beautifully. Teams are now getting up to know their status, what is their standings in the league, and we are closing up to the quarterfinal stage. So hope so. Next week will be the last of the league stages, and then we jump into the quarterfinals to the top 8 teams. Well, response, it's the talk of the town. It has got the eyeballs turning. I'm happy for that, and it's coming on live on D Sports, which is itself is a big achievement for Underarm Cricket League, and hope so that this goes much bigger, better next year, because it is Dreams Premier League. It's a dream of every individual playing there, and we've already got a call from D Sports that the individual TRP for last 2 weeks was about 31 lakhs to 45 lakhs. So it's a big achievement that this is being seen in 3 countries, and hope so that inshallah the next season goes much bigger.
So firstly, I'm extremely thankful to Mr. Wasif for inviting me here, and it looks amazing. I mean, the ambience and everything, and a lot of people are getting employed and people are getting to play cricket. I mean, sports, it's always been a great part, and I am actually a lot into sports, and I can't imagine my life without it. So it is feeling so lively and positive, and everything is so nice here. It's lovely. Yes, I do nunchucks, and I think I am the first Indian actor to do nunchucks on screen. And trust me, I learned it all via watching YouTube videos, and I got inspired by Akshay Kumar and Bruce Lee, because I'm born up, brought up watching Bruce Lee things. And I'm a lot into sports. I play cricket, basketball, nunchucks, and I do ballet song knife also. And I think, I don't know who else does it. So.
Absolutely यार, मतलब underhand bowling हो रही है तो sixer मारना शायद थोड़ा आसान हो. Of course, I'd love to play for this, yeah, and I'd love to be associated in a bigger way with this league, because I think यहाँ ऐसा वाला matches है जहाँ सब खेल सकते हैं, enjoy कर सकते हैं with families. I'd like to see more girls in the team next time.
Yeah, it's superb. Actually, me and Rajiv have not been very cricket fans, but looking at this, the underhand thing is very exciting. It feels like even we can bowl well and bat and stuff, and
so
the ball will not
future
hit.
Kapil Dev, Gavaskar, Dhoni, Virat Kohli, वो सारे यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं.
यहाँ पे आ सकते हैं. तो the point is, if somebody like us gets interested in cricket, then imagine people who are cricket fans. This is amazing. This is superb, यार. We really like this, and I want to go and play there, यार. गिरेंगे तो भी लगेगी भी नहीं. इस उम्र में थोड़ा सा ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. Our memory is basically the minute we are out, we would take the bat and the stumps and bye go home. जिसका bat वो would be the captain. He would bat, and we would hardly bowl.
Yeah.
Hence the underhand thing.
Yeah, sure, Parul. I guess next season there have to be celebrities, and there have to be people inside this league. And plus, on 30th of April, we are having a kind of a show match with the DPL owners plus celebrities on the other side. So I hope so they can show their skills there if they want.
Yeah.
Look forward to that. Yeah, if there's anything that can socially, you are giving entertainment, and you can also socially be of help to the society, nothing like it, because there's such big people involved and so much money involved. So if anything can be contributed towards betterment of the society, I'm all for it.
Well, Parul, the game, as I said earlier, that it's coming to the end of the league stage. All the teams know their standings, somewhat where are they standing. It's all the fight now for the top 8 slot to enter the quarterfinals, and then from there we go. Next weekend will be the last for the league matches, and from there we will go to the quarterfinal stages. It will be more tough, and the BPL final that will happen on the 1st of May.